Like, this is so dramatic, right? Very dramatic. I'm wondering that mi nao tu nimekaa chini tu na akili zangu, and then I'm like, okay. Do I look like an evil lady? I don't. And as for me, deep down, I know very well I have good heart. My action, like, you know, hata hakuna haja niseme. For what? Ni God anatupea life. Ni God ndiye anajua maisha yenye tunaishi. And it's God who has the right to judge us human being. So, kwa makosa nilifanya, and someone feels so offended, all as well. Take care. Let it be. Like, I don't care. I just don't care. In fact, hata wacha tu niachie Mungu. At least huko hapo umekaa chini, unanipigia kelele venye nimekuja nikianza kutusi wewe ni malaya. Obviously wewe ni malaya. There's no way you can tell me that wewe si malaya while every day una change fashion ya wanawake, una change fashion ya wanawake. Okay, niambie nini wanawake wangapi umewalala basi? Just tell me, ni wanawake wangapi umewalala? If you're not malaya, because I know the person who is not malaya ni ule mwanaume ama mwanamke mwenye anatulianga na mume mmoja ama mwanamke mmoja. But leo uko na huyu, kesho uko na ule, and every day you cheat day by day. Unabadilisha wanawake kama fashion, and at the end you're like, nilikutusi wewe ni malaya. Of course you are malaya. What else do you want me? Do you expect some? Do you so like what else do you expect me to call you? Okay, that's not none of my business. That is not none of my business. Hata kidogo. But you know what happened? Ni damu yako yenye nilibeba kwa tumbo yangu. And then this kid just actually hate you so much. Anakuchukia. Let me tell you this, Otoroke. Kama tu kweli umeamua, you're not gonna take responsibility, it's fine. There's no action I'm going to take. Na kuna penye mimi nakupeleka, and I have no right to judge you. Ulifanya kuniwekea spams kwa tumbo yangu. That's the time I ended up having pregnancy. And who gave it to me? It's God. So, because of God, that's why I ended up getting a child with you. See what in binadamu, and we do mistake. Okay, fine. Let me just say, kama nilifanya makosa, forgive me. And if you don't want to forgive me, then stay with it. I don't care. Like, I just don't care. Kwani wewe ndo mtu wa kwanza kutusi mimi? No. Me, I stay away even from my family because I knew. Because, girls, let me tell you this, imagine the situation I've been going through. It's so unacceptable, dramatic. I know I'm not the first lady to be pregnancy or to carry a baby. But mine, it was so unaccepted. Leo unapata pressure iko juu. kesho unapata high blood pressure iko juu. Like every day, hata saizi penye niko hapa, me right now I'm fighting for my life. I'm fighting for my life. Kwa mtoto ambaye nimebeba huyu. And I'm not blaming anyone. I am not blaming anyone. Because everything is on me. No one else. Mimi peke yangu. So at this point, let me just say, it's just me and God. This is how life it is, huh? So let me accept it and say, Alhamdulillah, I thank God for everything. So at least when mwanaume umekaa hapo, kazi yako ni kushinda tu, God. A man is getting a guts to yell at a woman who is pregnancy, who is carrying your child. Like you have the guts to yell at me, telling me like nilikuwa nakutusu ni malaya. Of course when ni malaya, I'm repeating this again surely. I swear even in the Quran, or because I'm a Muslim, I swear even I could get that Quran here right now. Ningeswear kwa Quran nikisema Allah, I swear to you, this guy ni malaya kabisa. Because that is true. I have no right to judge a human being because it's only God. But I swear to God, that man is so unaccepted. The truth always hurt. Because nyosha ni kwa mimi kwa masira zangu, always say the truth. Hakuna siku nitaidanganya. Because mimi na akili yangu tu normal, I can't come to sit here and then nianze tu all blah 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 blah. What I went through and what I'm going through right now is so unaccepted. I'm under doctor's control right now. Alafu uko tu hapo normal, happily life living. You're not carrying anything in your tummy. You're not craving for anything. And you're just happy. But you're having the guts to tell a woman that you're working on me, to kill me, or to do what to me. Let me tell you, even my craziness, I went to the police on myself. I was like, police, please put me down. Imagine mimi nenda police station, kaambia police please. Unaona mpaka nikuonyesha hizo nini matusi nilikuwa natusiana. See this, unaona huyu kijana huyu, ni celebrity mtu fulani. Ukija mimi nimemtusi mara mingi sana, niekeni tu ndani. Police wakaniambia, you just okay in your head. You know, I was like, do I look like I'm okay to you? Nilienda mpaka police station, me with this head of mine. Aish, pregnancy has made me go crazy. Mimi nimezunguka just because of this pregnancy. Any cravings they mimi niko nazo. Like I'm like, at least I feel like I'm chilling because I'm in a doctor's control, I think so. It's not that I'm crazy or I'm a mad woman, no. Pressure. And then I'm carrying a human being in my body, you know? So it's become so unquestionable, uncontrolled. So Otoro, ni sawa. Sina shida na wewe. You have the right to have grudge on me, towards me. Go on, my dear, go on. It doesn't concern me more or less. And I won't fight. I won't keep following you or even ask you for anything. I was just being polite. At least nikuelezee, nikuambie exactly what is, at least ungepatia mtu hata chance aongee. But since ulichukua your ego, always let your ego to control you, then it's okay. Ni sawa. Mimi sina shida. I have no problem with you. I just have no problem. So do whatever you want to do. It suits you. All as well. Keep living a happily life and making other women crying too hard. Just because of your mistake, and you think you're okay, and you're sitting there crying for God, telling God, please help me to become like this or to be like this, and someone's life is just miserable outside there because of what you did, and you don't want to even take responsibility. It's okay, no problem. All as well. They're lying to you.